Shasta Pools has been making backyard memories since 1966. And since then, we've built more than 86,000 pools, and that doesn't include over 34,000 remodels. From modest traditional pools to dramatic backyard getaways, our family has proudly made dreams come true all over Arizona. But we don't just build any pool, nor do we build it any old way. Shasta Pools is the Valley's only master pools builder, and one of only 110 builders globally who can make that claim. So, what is a Master Pools Guild builder? First, membership is by election only, and members have to prove beyond a doubt that they are among the best of the best. Master Pools builders meet strict construction standards, not just local or personal best practices. Shasta has even written some of these standards ourselves. You can be assured that Guild members adhere or surpass industry-leading processes and methods, which simply means our pools are built better and last longer. MPG members also form a network of master craftsmen that collaborate with other members to push the industry forward. So when you have a Shasta pool, you're not only getting our 50+ years of experience, you have the benefit of the latest and greatest the industry has to offer. The cutting edge blended with the tried and true. The Guild membership also represents our ability and reputation as an elite custom pool builder, emphasizing craft throughout the design and building process. Everything we do is made possible by our own internal teams or long-standing partnerships with expert artisans. We apply this craft on every residential pool project, but we're also famous for our ability to create world-class Olympic venues and stunning commercial pools you can experience at some of the world's finest resort properties. But no matter the size or the budget, we build them all the same way. Beyond the pool itself, Master Pools builders are certified to have demonstrated a strong commitment to customer service and unparalleled business ethics. Truth be told, this is what really separates an ordinary pool builder from a Master Pools builder. As with any big project, there are many opportunities to cut a few corners, but that's never been the Shasta way. And it isn't Master Pools Guild material either. When you choose Shasta, you are choosing a Master Pools Guild builder that keeps their commitments, demonstrates integrity and honesty, and is dedicated to delivering ethical conduct and honorable performance in everything we do. Sure, people looking to build a new pool have more choices than ever, but there's only ever been one Master Pools builder in the Valley, and there are countless reasons why it's Shasta and not anyone else. Shasta Pools, the Valley's only Master Pools builder.